Welcome everybody to the short film. You know what? I got a better location. 1 second. We are in New Orleans, Louisiana, and about last night.
It's crazy.
But overall, yesterday was a good day. We walked the streets. We saw a live band play. But today, we're going to the World War II Museum. We're gonna have some Popeyes, since you know they're Louisiana Popeyes chicken. And then we're gonna continue walking the French Quarter. But we also have a special tour tonight. And that tour is the Vampire Haunted Tour of New Orleans, Louisiana. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the short film, enjoy the vlog. If you like what you see today, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. So there was much more that I could not get on video. It's just, this place is so big. But if you're ever in New Orleans, come down to the World War II Museum. So we just had Popeye's chicken. Popeye. Boy, that was something. Let's just say that this Popeyes was a walk in, order, eat, and then you gotta get out. This is my section right here. Look at all this hot sauce. Have Tabasco lollipops. I know. Cheers. It's very chewy, and you add that dip to it. Oh yeah.